Greetings. Tell us what city and country you are watching this recipe from, so that I can say hello to you in the next videos. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This is very important for the growing of the channel. Thanks for watching.